back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the milk filler for your coffee or your hot chocolate. So yeah, anyway, this was on sale for 21 something plus tax, but free shipping. Original retail price on this I think was like 50 or 60 bucks. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then unbox this and show you guys what it look like. So like always, I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view of the box. It says Milk Pro. And then the package includes milk, frother, plus stainless steel, milk pitcher, stencil pattern, 3 designs. And here's the instruction on how to use it. Requires 2 of the AA battery, which is not included. Remove back cover and insert first battery with the positive list. Pointed up toward the switch. Insert the second battery with the positive lid pointed toward the one. Ensure ribbon stays underneath batteries for future removal. So here's the positive. Be sure the ribbon it's underneath so you can pull it up later on. And then that is the direction. And then that's the second battery. The positives go toward the wand. And this is by PowerLix. And here's how to use it. Fill a glass with 1/3 full with the milk and lower the whisk halfway into the milk. Press and hold the button to begin whisking. Raise the frother just below the surface of the milk and continue to raise and lower it at 45-degree angle for 30 to 45 seconds for rich, creamy foam. For best result, do not use milk hotter than 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The milk frother can be used with hot or cold milks. And this is how to clean it. Dip the whisk into hot water and briefly operate. Remove the water and spin again to dry. Do not submerge the plastic housing. And this one is a lifetime warranty. It says we are so confident that you will love our products that it comes backed with a lifetime warranty. If for whatever reason something happened to your frother down the line, or if you are unhappy with any reason, we will give you a replacement or full refund. Just contact us. And here's the barcode with the description. By the way, this is made in China. Alright, let's go and then take this out. It says, Pumi, congrats. We got you covered for life. And you can scan the QR code. Oh, there's an ebook. Alright, let's go and then let's take it out. Wow, look at that, so nice. So this is the stainless milk pitcher. And then they got their branding right there, PowerLix. So they have like for this, oops, where's the other one? Supposed to have for this clear rubber guard, but so far I only see 3. 1, 2, 3, and there's missing one here. Did I accidentally pull it out or? And this is the milk frother right here. So it's gonna turn and then mix it. It's the on and off switch button right there. Here's a battery. I'm gonna remove the battery door. So here's a ribbon. So yeah, before you put in the battery, make sure this is all the way down, so you can put this up later. So the button battery, the positive go toward that way first, because right there is flat, and then the top battery, the positive go there toward the wand. And then it comes with this stand. Oh, here's the 4th rubber guard that's in there. This fell off. So this is the 4th guard. So just have enough room, it doesn't touch the counter or the table. So there you go. Got the snowflakes, the flowery pattern, and then a heart. And there's a hole right there for the hanger. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and if you like see this in action, please drop a comment on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.